and I went up and down the steps 5 times, so it seems accurate. Now what happens if we use a drone instead of actual stairs? Can we fake out the Fitbit? It doesn't seem like it would work because you drive all the time going up and down altitude and it doesn't register any steps. Or when you get on an airplane or you do anything where you change your altitude. But alright, so that's taped up nice and strong. Kinda. So let's see. We're at 12 floors last time.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay. I'm not sure. Alright, I'm going to switch to video camera mode. We're taping. See that? That's way up there. As a point of reference, that is 100 feet. And that is really windy. So, let's go. Downward sensors disabled. Land as soon as possible. Okay. I think we know the downward sensors are disabled. So. Oh, 236. That is way up there. I don't know if you can see it, but 360. And 400. I'm going to rotate the camera around a little bit, see if you can see the how windy it is. That's pretty windy. And then just a quick shot of where we are. We're in Freeport, Maine. Now, I can't imagine if anybody cares, but that's Freeport. Down that way. Let's go ahead and bring it down. We're at 415 feet right now, and there's our Fitbit. Rotate around a little bit, and let's start coming down. High wind. Please land. All right. Really high wind. High velocity wind. Fly with caution and land in a safe place. ASAP. ASAP. Whoops. Trying. I'm trying ASAP. I'm gonna land with my hand. It's safer. I don't want the string to get caught up. I didn't want the string to get caught in the propellers. So it's always safer. All right, let's see what the thing reads. Still, 12 floors. The drone took this thing up hundreds and hundreds of feet, not a single floor. So there's something else going on with this thing. Maybe it's the shaking of your arm or something, but the drone did not fool it. So, all right, if I think of something else fun to do with the drone, we'll try again. Thanks, bye.